The market is saturated. Everybody and their moms are doing drop shipping and wholesale. You want to be different. You want to be unique. You want to stand out from the crowd.
You are now watching DJTV.
What up, Swag Squad? We back at it again. Oh snap, I did not close my drink. Oh snap, I gotta wipe this shit. Look what I did here, yo. Coffee all over the studio floor. Alright. Gotta have the iced coffee, you feel me? Got my pastry. Ooh, look at that bomb pastry though. It's a little bun cake. I don't want it too much because, you know, I'm trying to lay low on the carbs and the sugars. Tiny little slice of some bun cake from Trader Joe's. It's bomb though. It's just perfect for my iced coffee. Yes, folks, this is iced coffee. I like to make my iced coffee in a blender bottle just because, you know, this is bomb though. This is perfect to eat with the coffee. But what is good, Swag Squad? Thank you for tuning in to another episode of
The DJTV show.
Cheers. Cheers. But yeah, today I'm going to be talking about drop shipping. Should you do it or should you not? Based on experience, folks, I'm not telling you what to do.
Oh, give me a moment real quick. Orgasm on a plate, for sure though.
No, but for real. Oh, that should be bomb though. Yo, this is just too. It's just too bomb. Way too bomb.
Oh, delicious.
But what I was saying, the thing with drop shipping, right? This is based on experience. Okay? I used to do the whole drop shipping. Okay, I've done that. Alibaba, AliExpress, all those wholesale suppliers. I'll buy a bulk amount of stuff and then list it on eBay, Shopify, Amazon. Yeah, it works if you have the patience. But I'm just saying, this is based on experience. A lot of my friends who are just starting the whole drop shipping game now, or they're just starting the whole e-commerce, flipping stuff on Shopify and all that, which is cool. Hey, to each their own. Do what you gotta do, get that grind on. But I'm just letting you know based on experience. When I was 18, 19 years old, that's what I started doing. I would buy stuff wholesale, all these different wholesale suppliers. I got a list below of all the wholesale suppliers. They have a minimum order. You just order like 50 items or 100 items. You have to buy it in bulk. You can't just buy one or two. There's usually a minimum order and it ranges anywhere from like $500 plus. But you have to buy a minimum order. For example, these beard stencils, beard trimmer guide. You have to buy 500 of them. They're $1 each, yeah, but you have to buy 500 of them to get it for $1 each. You feel me? On Amazon, you see people, they're flipping it for like $10, $12, right? So that's a nice little $10 profit. Well, minus the fees and all that. So you get a roughly about an $8, $9 profit per item, right? Every item is $1, correct? You flip it for $12. Amazon takes their cut. So let's say estimatedly you make about $8 per item, okay? So you have 500 items. If you sell 500 of them, who knows how long it may take to sell all 500? You would make roughly $4,000. So a $500 investment can net you a $4,000 profit. That's a nice little profit margin. How long is it gonna take you to flip all 500? So you gotta take into consideration the time, the energy. A lot of people I know are just now starting the whole wholesale drop shipping. Right? The homegirl Katie, she just started her Shopify account. She just started selling clothes on Shopify, which is cool. Go for it. I'm just letting you know, number one is marketing. You have to market that. If you don't have a large following, if people don't know about your store, it's gonna be tough to be flipping on Shopify. Why do I recommend Amazon or eBay? It's already a known source. People are already going on Amazon, eBay, shopping already. They're not going through XYZ website and shopping for clothes from your website. They don't know who you are. But if they're on Amazon or eBay, they're already searching for certain items and you just happen to be a seller on the platform. It's less marketing that you need if you're flipping on Amazon and eBay because these are already reputable platforms. Let's look at the numbers. This is a statistics website. As of December 2019, there were an estimated 112 million US Amazon Prime subscribers. Think about that. The population of the USA is 328 million. And as of December 2019, 112 million US citizens are Amazon Prime users. That's almost half. Half of the country already use Amazon. They shop on Amazon. There's someone on Amazon clicking place order right now as we speak. People are always buying on Amazon. Why do you think Jeff Bezos is the richest man in the world? The CEO of Amazon is the richest man in the world because Amazon is with the grind right now. They put Toys R Us out of business. They put Sears out of business. All these brick and mortar stores are going out of business because of Amazon. Everyone is just online shopping on Amazon right now. So if you're an Amazon seller, you already know your product is going to be seen. If you just make like your own website, XYZ clothing, XYZ shop, you want to start your own website, by all means, do what you got to do. But I'm saying it's going to take more time to market it because nobody knows who XYZ shop is. People know who Amazon is. People are already on Amazon shopping. So if you're just an Amazon seller, you display your products on Amazon, you have a higher chance of getting sales when you're flipping on Amazon as opposed to having your own website. My homegirl Katie, she's starting a website right now and she's selling clothes, also Shopify. So she's buying wholesale clothes and then flipping it on Shopify, which is cool. Hey, that works. But I'm just saying you're gonna have to spend more money and take more time into marketing your website because people have to know about it. You can list those same items on eBay and you have a higher chance of getting sales. More eyes will be on your product when you're listing it on eBay and Amazon. Number 2, why is drop shipping not a good idea for 2020? First of all, Amazon doesn't allow drop shipping. You either list the items, you store it yourself, you store your own inventory, then you sell it yourself. That's fulfillment by seller. Or you could be fulfillment by Amazon, FBA, which is what a lot of people are doing now. The next reason, it's saturated. Yo, everybody's going on all these drop shipping wholesaling suppliers. AliExpress, Salehu, Doba, Wholesale 2B, Worldwide Brand, Mega Goods, Wholesale Central, Sunrise Wholesale. Your product won't be unique. There'll be thousands of other people that has the same product as you. The only way to really compete is by making your price really, really low. If you want someone to purchase from you, you gotta just beat the market by setting your price really low. And at that point, it's not even worth it. You'll be making like 50 cents to $1 per item. The profit margin is just so tiny. It's like not even worth the time anymore. Instead of doing drop shipping and wholesaling, buying a bunch of products, these are generic brands that you're buying wholesale of and you're flipping it for a profit. If you do the whole retail arbitrage, like what I do, going out to Ross, TJ Maxx, Marshalls, thrift stores, Goodwills, yard sales, you're picking up unique items. These are items that nobody else has, which is still in good quality, designer brands, well-known brand names that people are searching for already. It's easier to flip it and make a profit as opposed to buying bulk amounts of no-name generic brands and flipping it. You're better off just finding a good deal on some good brand name product, listing it and reselling it. So saturation. The market is saturated. Everybody and their moms are doing drop shipping and wholesaling. You want to be different. You want to be unique. You want to stand out from the crowd. Get your own unique items. Go sourcing and find some gems. That way you're the only seller that has that product. There are people out there who are successful in drop shipping and wholesale, but they started a while back and they've been doing it for a while to get to the level they're at. Right now, 2020, drop shipping, wholesaling, it would be tough. It would be very competitive, especially with the whole COVID going on right now. Everybody working from home. Everyone is starting a drop shipping business. The best thing, start out by cleaning out your closet, yo. If there's a bunch of items in your closet that you don't use, things laying around your house that you don't use, flip them, list it online. One man's trash is another man's treasure. You'd be surprised what you have laying around the house that can easily be flipped and you don't even realize that. You probably have at least $10,000 worth of stuff just chilling around your house. So go for it. Get on that grind. 1, it's saturated. 2, it's all generic brands. You need to have brand names. You have to have a brand that people are searching for already. And 3, marketing. And when you're doing a drop shipping site, marketing site, unless you already have a pretty large following already, followers, a bunch of subscribers, a bunch of Facebook friends, people who you can market to already, then go for it. There's a chance you could be successful. But if you don't have a large following yet and you have to market your products, it's gonna be tough. If you have your own website, your own Shopify store, it's gonna be tough. You have to market that first to your people, to your friends, and then you expand to outside. Whereas with eBay or Amazon, people are already searching. You know, you got people from across the country able to see your item without even you having to contact them. Just by you listing it on the platform, people already have access to it. And the way eBay works, there's an algorithm. The more people that view your stuff, the more people that search for your item, it shows up on the top of the search results. When you're consistently posting and listing items, once you get on the grind and you're just constantly listing items, constantly putting up products to sell, your product's gonna keep going on the top of the search results. And then once you become a top rated seller, you got all those stars, you're getting good feedback, eBay is gonna keep pushing your items. You're gonna keep pushing your listing to the top. I feel eBay and Amazon, there's a better chance of establishing your business on those platforms than starting your own website and doing drop shipping, selling generic unknown brands. So I'm gonna end the video right here. I do also have another video about Amazon FBA, how to get started on Amazon FBA, how to sell items on Amazon FBA. I would say Amazon FBA is probably the best platform for flipping your items. You can click on this link above right here. That's some Amazon FBA tips for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. I appreciate you guys. Got more business tips coming up. Got more life advice, relationship advice. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, folks. Hit it. There you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Smash the bell. Turn the post notifications on. Leave a comment. Leave a like. I love you guys. See you on the next one. Peace.
I'm living in your messages.